Hey everyone, so I just wanted to come on and just share this beautiful package that I received from one of my subscriber friends. She actually had reached out to me and said that she was sending me something, but never did I think that it would be this. So I did an unboxing yesterday and I'm going to insert that clip here for you all now. So yeah, she sent me the special reserve for 2020, the Hawaii Kona. It's so beautiful. And I'm just gonna take them out so you can see, but it's like a little saucer. It's a saucer. How adorable is this? Has Nespresso on the bottom. Like the sweetest thing ever. I absolutely love it. Obviously, I've already reached out to her and thanked her, but I just gotta say it again here. Thank you so much. This is the sweetest thing I have ever received, and I just can't believe it. So I'm super excited to use it. I did a sneak peek on my stories yesterday, but I didn't want to do like a full unboxing on there because I wanted to share it here with you all. But yeah, and it also comes with a sleeve of the Hawaii Kona, which is one of my favorites. I absolutely love this one. So again, this is the sweetest package and it's just perfect. Like, this is so me. So yeah, I can't wait to make my first cup using my new set. It's so pretty, it's packaged so well. This box is absolutely beautiful. I just love it so much. I'm never throwing it away. I'm just gonna keep it and use it for something. I'll store stuff in it, I don't know. But it's just beautiful. So thank you so much. That was so sweet of you. And I will definitely cherish this forever and always think of you when I am having my espresso. Yeah, it's the sweetest thing someone has ever done for me, so thank you. I just had a couple more things that I wanted to share with you guys while I was out over the weekend. I had kind of picked up some things from HomeGoods and got something for my mom, so the first thing I want to share with you all are these new pillows that I got for my couch. So they're just these creamed pillows by Sheffield Home, and they are from TJ Maxx, and I paid $16.99 for them. But what I love about these is that they have this zipper detail at the top. It's a gold zipper and it has like this black trim on it. So I thought that would be really nice with my black pillows, which are similar in the material. So I thought that would look good together on my sofa. So I got that one. And I looked up and found another one. So I got two of these pillows, which never happens to me when I'm looking for pillows, which is why sometimes I don't even bother with pillows because I can never find two that I actually like. So I got these. These I've had for a while. I just recently pulled them out since it's getting cooler and I'm kind of warming things up around here. I pulled these out. They're just black pillows. I believe these are from HomeGoods as well. I love the way that the off-white and black look together, and these pillows actually match my sofa identical because my couch is kind of like an off-white cream leather, which, by the way, I get so many questions here on YouTube and on Instagram whenever I show my sofa. People ask me how I keep it clean with having a small child and a boy at that, and it's pretty durable. I will say having leather does help because you can just easily wipe it off with just like a damp cloth. So that's usually what I do. And I'm not gonna lie, there are some things on here that I cannot get off, like a marker somewhere. I don't know where it is, but if I look hard enough for it, I'll find it. But he did have a marker scuff on it and I couldn't get that off. But for the most part, I mean, I'm really not like that mom that's like, no, stay off the couch. No, don't jump on the couch. I mean, obviously there's some things that he does and I'm like, okay, don't do that because you'll hurt yourself. But this is a really good quality couch. This was custom made at a local furniture store here in Cincinnati, and I've had it for a very long time and it has held up very, very well and I love it. So yeah, I just wipe it off daily or whenever I need to, when he does something, spill something, marks on it or whatever. But for the most part, it still looks really good and it's held up really well over the years. So I like it. And then while I was in HomeGoods, I found this Joanna Gaines Homebody book, and I absolutely love Fixer Upper. I'm a huge fan of all things HGTV, to be honest. I love her so much. So when I saw this, I told my mom, I was like, I gotta get it. And then I flipped through it and like everything in here is just so beautiful. She has it categorized by like areas in your home. So she has like a living room section, a kitchen section, a bedroom section. So I just have this on my coffee table and it's just so nice and it coordinates very well with everything else and I just love it. This was $19.99 and this is the Homebody edition, which is perfect for me because I'm all things homebody. This book was made for me. So I got that. And then my mom got me some new coasters. So she got me some like black, like gray round marble coasters. So I thought that was nice. So I just have these on my coffee table as well. So yeah, but that's everything that I picked up over the weekend. It's just little home stuff. But I did just want to come on and share my Nespresso unboxing with you guys because it was just so special that I just had to share it here with you all. I'll try to link the information below for this set that she got for me in case any of you guys are interested. The holidays are coming around. If you have a coffee lover in your life, this will be the perfect gift for them because when I say this just made my entire like year, I can't wait. So definitely gonna be sharing a cup of coffee with you guys of me using my new set here in the near future, maybe tomorrow, who knows. But yeah, so we're gonna get ready to get out of here. Steph and I are gonna go and hang out for the rest of the day. Today is Wednesday, so he's just wrapping up his schoolwork now. I'm wrapping up work. We're just gonna go out and hang out. It's so nice out. It's cool, but it's not like cold. I am wearing the little gray like t-shirt dress that I share with you all from H&M, so I'll do like an outfit of the day for you all. But yeah, that's everything that I wanted to share with you all today. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next one.